Originally grew up south of Emporia over in Hartford for a number of years, and then graduated high school from Olpe and in 1999. So during my junior and senior year, had the opportunity to come here to Flint Hills Tech and study what was then the Industrial Maintenance Technology program. You know what? I was a high school freshman, sophomore, and I might have been rocking about like a 1.9 GPA. Wasn't doing very well academically. Was more concerned with sports and extracurricular activities. I was never growing up, I was never the kind of kid that did very well with sitting still in a classroom. And I didn't know at that time until I came to Flint Hills Tech that I was a hands-on learner. The environment where I could, whether it's sitting in a classroom or being out in the lab, working with my hands, building things, constructing things, wiring things up, when I had the opportunity to come here and learn that I could do those things, and that was how I learned, that's really what allowed me to understand that college was something I could achieve at, and that it was something that I could do. I think prior to that, I had a lot of questions as to what my life was going to be like and whether or not college was going to be even an opportunity for me. But like I said, the faculty members that I had here really took me under their wing and grew me and developed me and gave me leadership responsibilities. They allowed me to understand that college was an option for me. And at the same time, if I didn't want to go that route, I had an incredible education that I could put to work. So I had now an availability of options that I didn't have before. And an opportunity came about 2.5 years ago to move to Northwest Kansas, where I have the pleasure to serve as the president of Northwest Kansas Technical College in Goodland. So just an incredible experience to kind of come full circle from having been a technical education student back in the day who really wasn't sure what the future held, and learning that I was, again, a hands-on learner and being able to now share this experience with my students and watch them grow. And I think I owe, the reality is I owe a lot to Flint Hills Tech. Flint Hills Tech took a young man who was barely passing high school, who had no real trajectory, no real future in mind, no real idea what I was going to do, and gave me the opportunity to learn, again, not only that I was a hands-on learner, but learn that I had a brighter future ahead of me if I was willing to make the effort to go after it. The faculty here were absolutely incredible, and it wasn't just the faculty that I had in the program. I had a lot of other folks that I bumped into and interacted with that I was college material and that I was workforce ready.